Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll be looking at how to get the input. We looked at this briefly in the last video. In this one, we'll look at it in a little more detail. Here I have a variable called name, and I'm asking for input from the user. At the same time, we got another variable called age, again asking for a user, and then we're printing what you've entered, and then it prints name and age, and then we're waiting on input to exit. So basically here it just holds the console for you to see the result, and then when you type something in and press enter, it will exit. So let's quickly run this and see how it looks. So name, age 22, yeah, there you go. You see that? It says you're 22 years old, and it prints the name. Nothing fancy, and then it prints the two variables together. You should notice that there's no comma here. If I just used comma, there will be space. So if I run this again, stop and rerun, I'm using a shortcut Control Shift F10 to run the current program. So I'm going to enter the name. Jack is 39 years old. See that? It's got Jack and then a space 39, which is basically coming from here. Python adding a space. And then it says please press any key. So I pressed a key and I pressed enter, and the function's closed. Perfect. So if you got any questions, please leave me a comment and I will answer your question. Please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.